How to make chicken biryani, an Indian classic. For the marinade, combine 500 grams of chicken cut into pieces with 1 cup of plain yogurt, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon each of turmeric and red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, salt to taste and the juice of half a lemon. Mix well and coat the chicken. Cover and marinate for at least an hour or overnight if possible. To cook the rice, boil 2 cups of basmati rice with 4 to 5 cups of water, 2 cloves, 2 cardamoms, a bay leaf and salt. Add the rice and cook until it's 70% done. Drain and set aside. In a large pan, fry 2 large onions until golden brown and crispy. Set aside some for garnishing. Add the marinated chicken and cook on medium-high until tender. Now, it's time to layer. Start with half of the cooked rice followed by some fried onions, mint, coriander and saffron milk. Repeat with the remaining rice and toppings. Cover tightly and cook on low heat for 15 to 20 minutes. This is called dum cooking, which is the secret to real biryani flavor. And there you have it, chicken biryani. Serve hot with raita or a salad.